It is something that you cannot achieve with any conventional products. This is what makes Permagard famous. We're back here today at the Haulover Marine Center with the Permagard team, and we're presenting to you this awesome Boston Whaler 2016 Dauntless 270. The reason why you get your boat Permagard is for two reasons. The main reason is obviously you want that awesome finish. We came down here with 4 technicians, knocked out this boat in a Permagard surface treatment in 4 hours. This boat is 7 years old. It's being used for fishing in South Florida, one of the harshest environments for gel coat finishes. And it looks today, 7 years later, better than brand new. You can contact us directly on our website at permagard.com or give us a call, 305-662-5070.